You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great.
Today, we're going to be making 3 different graphics based off of a client brief. This is kind of replicate the cadence that I'll normally go through if I'm onboarding a client and I'm trying to figure out what the next steps are. Design 2 was supposed to be gritty, textured, and branded. The way as a designer, like I interpret that is gritty textured. You know, I think of off-white backgrounds. I think of halftones and stuff like that. And then branded. I think this is something that gets asked for pretty frequently with people that I work for. You know, branding things is, it's a delicate balance, right? Because you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to just put your logo, slap it on everything, because then it feels lazy and it feels like it's not designed well. But finding a way to still elevate the brand, still show the brand in your piece while also not making it feel overwhelming, I think is an interesting balance that we try to strike. But we also want to find different ways to incorporate our branding and our visual identity with this black and white photo. You might be saying, how are we going to get colors in this if we want the logos and all the other elements to stand out? Well, there's this neat sort of thing that I like to kind of do in my graphics, or always experiment with, is the different blend modes. So what I'll do is I'll actually look at the different blend mode. So we get some like weird pops of color in here, and I think there could be a way to kind of liven it up and get them more aligned to like our brand's tertiary colors, which was this turquoise situation here and this red and orange situation here. Going to mask this onto our black and white photo, and we're going to try to find a subtle way to incorporate it. So I see he's grabbing the jersey, and so you can kind of see the ripples will extend almost like in a radial pattern. So I'm gonna try to see what this sort of like almost sunburst sort of effect would look like going across the different parts of the jersey here. So he's kind of holding the jersey. It's a way to kind of incorporate colors. Now these aren't exactly our brand colors yet, so we're going to go in and add a little bit of a selective color. We're going to duplicate this. I'm gonna do like a little bit of a Photoshop hack here. I'm gonna do a smart object. I'm going to select pixels, and then this will be our, it'll kind of just encapsulate that specific space as opposed to the whole player cutout.
So you just took the adjustment layer and you doubled it.
I doubled it. I made it a smart object.
Gotcha.
And then just so I could select that specific portion, I'm going to delete this layer mask and then add it into here. So now this selective color is now attached directly to these inverted difference type of lines. So now we can go through and get them closer to our brand colors here. Yeah, so now we're starting to get closer to our colors. Cool, so moving on to this third design. So we're wanting bold, experimental, unconventional, and then we have trippy question mark. We're gonna try to add in some 3D elements. So off camera, I made some 3D elements, things I made actually in Adobe Dimension, which is a super slept on program and doesn't really get a lot of face time. But yeah, it's super cool. They kind of look sort of funky, but I think we can get a really cool trippy effect using these. Clients also just love 3D. Something about it, it's like, man, a lot of people can visualize the 2D. So it loses a little bit of its novelty, but then once you start incorporating 3D elements, which I've been trying to do more and more in my client work, people really get a kick out of it. And I don't know how to do 3D all that much. Like this is Adobe Dimension. For me, it's very basic. I keep it very, very basic with the type of work that I do with these.
You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So
I love that.
Just to recap, look at these 3 amazing posters. So Jorge went through 3 different briefs today. One clean, one kind of like grainy, textured, and then trippy, as you can see here. And bro, you bodied it.